SOUTH AQUA M20Pro USV. Upgrade USV Easy Bathymetry. All new hull design. Lighter, anti-disturb and collision. Enhance hydrometry. New generation carbon fiber composite. Lighter and stronger. Removable anti-collision strips. Modular build. Boost impact and wear resistance. Removable side wings. New flow guide, better wave and wind resistance. Powerful propulsion, fast and stable navigation. Comprehensive upgrade of thrusters. Max speed, 7 meters per second. Efficient arrival, unimpeded travel. Intelligent perception, more safety. High accuracy smart radar. Automatic obstacle recognition evasion. All new perception system. Integrates intelligent self-check and auxiliary measurement. Safer navigation, more reliable data. New high-speed data link. Bandwidth, transmission speed, and signal strength. Achieve a triple leap. Enable real-time and efficient data interaction. Professional surveying, easy to operate. Expanded moon pool, larger, wider, and better instrument fit. More flexible equipment mounting. Equipped with a small-size multi-beam echo sounder. Efficient and accurate acquisition of underwater topographic data. Equipped with ADCP. Enables high-precision hydrological discharge measurement. High bright remote control display. Clear visibility of information. Fast operation response. Enhanced endurance capacity. Sustained operation for mission accomplishment. SOUTH AQUA M20Pro USV. Intuitive remote easy USV. Navigate with zero fuss. Let exploration surpass imagination.